Hi everyone, this is Jennifer from JE Photography Design. I just wanted to show you quickly how you can use these Santa images. I have various of them available in the stores. How you can use this Santa image and literally have it done within 2 to 3 minutes. So what I've got here is I've opened up my Santa image, and if you look over in the layers panel, this particular one has 2 different Santas. Most of them don't, but if you look right here coming out of his finger, there's a little bit of like sparkly magic. You can turn that off just by unclicking that layer, and then you'll just have the Santa itself. So you can choose which Santa image you want to have for that. Next, so I'm going to do it without that. Next, you're going to open your image, any image. I haven't really done a whole lot of editing to this, so please ignore the yellow tinge to it. And you can do one of 2 things. You can open it separately and then just drag and drop it into your Santa image, which I'm going to do here. And drop it here, I have to change, export the size of it. Not export, transform the size of it. So I just did Control T or Command T on a Mac, and I'm just changing the size of it. Or you could have gone up to, I believe it's, I don't think you can see the, hold on, let's do this. File, place embedded, and then you could bring your image in that way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of layer it. As you can see, it's the very top layer over top of this black one that says rectangle. I'm going to layer it there, and I'm going to, with my mouse, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to click on the words Create Clipping Mask. And what that's going to do is clip it to that black rectangle. So obviously it doesn't look good right now. So I'm going to use my Move tool, and I'm going to move it around, and I can tell I need to resize it a bit. So I'm going to resize it, and I'm going to angle it slightly because I want it to kind of match the angle of the picture frame. So, oh, looks like the doggy's head is cut off a bit. So let's resize it a bit more like that. Press enter, and voila. That is pretty much all you have to do to this image, and then you're good to go. So it's as simple as that. Then you can just do File, Save As a JPEG, or yeah, you have to, if you're sending it to clients, save as a JPEG. Don't save over your master file. So save as your JPEG to blah, 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 whatever you want, and your image is done, ready to move on to the next one. And it's as simple as that. So hopefully that helps everyone. Thanks. Have a great day.